how tough it is in the WWF. How really, really tough it is.
Battle press. Oh, no, another. That bench press, we said he bench presses about 600 pounds.
Tell you what, we didn't have to wait too long to find out what these suits are for.
Yeah, insurance indeed. That's one way of putting it. Michaels front face locking. Crush, and Randy, is this a good strategy here? Shouldn't he be trying to pin him? He's not going to pin him with the front face lock.
Tell you what, I think Shawn Michaels' best opportunity was when Crush was knocked out on the outside of the ring. What do you think? I agree with you. I wouldn't have instructed the referee and broke the count or go out on the floor ever. I'd have gone to the neutral corner and let him come to pin. 20, 30, 40. Crush was going nowhere. Shawn Michaels' mistake was ego there.
Michaels, that front face lock wrenched in. And it is a testament to Crush that he hasn't been defeated after the high-impact blows to the post.
Listen to these people. They believe in the big man from Kona, Hawaii, Chaka Bra Crush. They think that he can come back from what he's been through.
Crush up to a vertical base, but again, you got to wonder how much he has left. Shawn Michaels and Crush again with an amazing display of strength here. And Michaels goes right back to the front face lock. And again, Crush. Oh my gosh!
Unbelievable strength. That man not only can take the Intercontinental title right now, but I think he can slam Yokozuna. And after having his head banged into that post 7 or 8 times in the beating he's taken, look at this.
And he fell. Oh my!
Unbelievable. Now Shawn Michaels is in trouble. Now the momentum has changed.
What's up, Rob? What's up, James? Having trouble tagging Tim Kirby. Weird.
Crush is a smart man, Heenan. A not a smart man wouldn't have been able to do that. Crush is on a roll.
So, appreciate you guys filling this up. It's my first look at this one. What's up, Dave? What's up, Mr. Lanza? We got a box of 2025 Pop. Random letter. It is the first letter of the first name. Let's see. Joey Ski with G. Joseph Lanza L. Rob Moore F. Austin with J. Kelly Johnson E. Joseph Lanza D. Seth P. Joseph Lanza K. Stephen Thomas Maldonado UV. Joseph Bryson N.O. John Bernardo Jr. S. Tim Thompson C. Seth with WXYZ. Rob Moore M. Joseph Bryson A. Rob Moore HI. Shane Third QR. Kelly Johnson T. And Tim Kirby B. What's up, Austin? I have no idea. We're going to find out together. I get some gloves on. We'll jump in this box. Good luck to everybody. I've got some, I don't know what we're looking at next. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. All right. Here we go. First time opening this. So that's exciting. Get them seals. All right. Oh, wow. Okay, so we got, let's just get that out of there. We got the proof pack, and then the cards. So we got an empty box. That was interesting. All right, so we're going to put that back there. Go right here, and just do it this way. Good luck.
All right, a couple of things as I stand with Bam Bam.
Thomas Ian Nicholas. Thomas Ian Nicholas. 5 of 15. Going to the T spot. Kelly Johnson. So right out of the gate, Kelly Johnson on the board. All right. Next up, what does it say? Screen. Michael Bean. 101. That's huge. Sci-fi signature. 101. Nice. That's awesome. So if anybody knows who he is, let me know who that is. M. Rob Moore. There you go, buddy. I just don't know him. If Thomas Townsend were in here, he could probably tell me who that was. I have no doubt. All right, let's see. Wayne Knight. I know who that is. Yeah, I know who Wayne Knight is. He's hilarious. 6 of 7. Going to W. Seth. And our last. How's that one set up this way? Michael Douglas. That's nice. The Immortals. That's nice. 3 of 100. Nice Michael Douglas right there. That's a good one. M. Rob Moore. That is a nice one. All right, now we got our let's see. Let's get this. All right, so that's empty, as you can see. All right, and that one's this away. What is that? Helen Hunt, John Pankow, co-stars. Okay, so that's between H and J. Rob Moore, Austin Kennedy. We'll do the random for that. And our last one. Robert De Niro, Al Pacino, and Val Kilmer. That's a nice triple. So that'll be between, let's see. Who's got R? Shane third.
Bigelow can slam Yokozuna.
You know what else? I was just thinking myself. That behind Crusco.
Oh, my.
A is
Look at the move.
Joseph Bryson.
Feet away from the steps. Bad fingers, bad knee, and now his back is bad. But his heart is there.
And Val Kilmer V.
Bigelow again using that devastating headbutt.
You know, it's a good
Stephen Thomas. Maldonado.
Cover. That's what he got. Hart near the ropes. Smart move by Hart. Bigelow hooks the leg. And
All right. So we'll do the
2 count out of it.
random for those in the post.
I've got RESPEC.
Quick recap.
Bigelow focusing on the lower
Michael Douglas out of 100.
big headbutt on more than one occasion.
Thomas Ian Nicholas out of 15. Wayne Knight out of 7. 101 production proof. Helen Hunt, John Pankow. Co-stars pre-production proof 101. De Niro, Pacino, Kilmer, or Robert Alval. And a Sci-Fi Signatures Michael Bean 101. It's pretty nice. All right, guys. Appreciate it. We'll get something up tomorrow or the next day. Keep this thing going. Appreciate y'all. Have a good rest of your night. Be good. Be safe. Thanks for jumping in. Thanks for all the support. We'll catch you guys soon. Have a good one.